Disclaimer. This video is shared for the purposes of news reporting, documentation, and education. Some viewers may find the contents of this video disturbing. Police Blue Line provides context and analysis on police interactions to help the public understand law enforcement procedures and the complexities of high-stress situations. We remain neutral and do not condone violence or illegal acts. All footage is obtained via public records requests or official department releases. Get real with us, raw, uncut, real video. Help us reach more people by liking and subscribing. Your support makes these videos possible. Thank you.
Team in Brownsville, Texas, were conducting ground surveillance to deter smuggling activities at a location approximately 17.5 miles east of the Veterans Bridge port of entry and 0.04 miles north of the Rio Grande River. The Fort Brown Flex team received a call from SpaceX Security regarding unusual activity occurring near the Rio Grande River between the United States and Mexico. At approximately 6:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, Fort Brown BPAs located a group of individuals occupying a GMC Denali pickup truck near a boat ramp off Highway 4 in Brownsville, Texas. BPAs reported that they believed the subjects were attempting to smuggle firearms into Mexico using a boat. During the encounter, a BPA discharged his CBP-issued M4 rifle at one of the subjects who was armed with an Anderson AM-15 firearm. The subject, a citizen of Mexico, was struck in the abdomen. BPAs secured the scene and subsequently apprehended 3 additional illegal aliens and recovered the firearm. BPAs rendered aid to the subject by applying pressure to his entry and exit wound until local emergency medical services personnel arrived. There were no reported injuries to BPAs involved in this incident. The following is an animated overhead recreation of the incident. Please note that it is not to scale and is for illustration purposes only. The first video shown will be from this agent's point of view. As the agent approaches the driver of the vehicle, the driver's side rear passenger exits the vehicle brandishing an Anderson AM-15 rifle. Another responding agent approaches the rear of the vehicle as the armed subject makes his way around the vehicle. At the time of this incident, this agent was not issued a body-worn camera. The agent discharges his CBP-issued M4 rifle multiple times, striking the subject in the abdomen. Upon hearing the shots fired, 2 more agents respond to the scene and secure the subject and the weapon. This agent's perspective is the second angle shown in the video. The following is body-worn camera video footage from agents at the scene of the incident. The first 2 minutes were recorded during the buffer period and do not have audio. These videos contain graphic content. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey, I got the driver. Hey. No, mano. I'm gonna get this guy. No, mueva las manos, Bájate. Acuéstate ahí. No, enseña las manos. Hey, watch him, watch him. Hey. Steer to your left, steer to your left. Hey. Did you get the bags? Hey, hear voices. There's at least another body. ¿Ya see him or no?
Show me your fucking hands.
No te muevas, cabrón.
Put your hands right here. Show me your fucking hands. Manos en la cabeza, pendejo. On the ground.
Hey, the boat. The boat.
Yeah, don't worry about the boat.
Did you get the bag? Hey, cover me. I'll cover this guy.
Shot fired. One subject hit in the stomach. Abdomen wound. Abdomen wound. Hey, shots fired. One subject hit in the stomach.
What? Reload the firearm.
¡Asuelo!
Give me units. Reds and blues. Right before boat ramp. Copy.
Hey, go through.
Oh, this is the grocery spring.
Huh?
This is the grocery spring.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm passing out. Hey, he's shot. Hey, provide aid. Get security, provide aid.
I gotta get her a gun.
Cover. Hey, get him out. Hey, cover them. I'm gonna go ahead to sweep the rest of the room.
Fuerte. Arrodíllate más. Fuerte. Hacia todo.
Everybody handcuff the sleeves too. Hey, I heard the boat. The boat's coming.
Cúrate aquí.
Hey, get on the radio. He's got an abdomen gunshot coming out of his. You already did.
Acuéstate. Toma. De panza. ¿No tienes pistolas tú? No. ¿Seguro? ¿Y qué traes?
Hey, I need a light. No se mueva. He came out with a gun, right? Yeah, he pulled out a firearm. Hey, no se mueva. No se mueva. On this side. It's his. Who moved the firearm? I got the firearm in my truck.
Hey, you hot? I'm hot.
Yeah, I'm hot. What else is there? What else is in here? Have you checked inside?
No. We just got the driver out. It should just be him.
No aguanto mi panza, oiga. Espéreme.
Ahorita ya viene la ambulancia para acá.
Estoy bien.
EMS te está en camino, ¿ok? No traigo otras armas.
¿Ustedes dos tienen armas? ¿Ustedes?
No se mueva.
Déjame acomodarme.
Yeah, 10-4, we're secure. Hey, give me a kit. We don't got
Ay, quédate costado.
Give me a kit.
No me aplanes, oiga. Me chingaron, güey.
Aguanta, no te muevas.
No te muevas, ¿ok? No te muevas.
Entonces, agradezco.
EMS está en camino, ¿ok?
The bus is going east.
No te muevas. Okay. He's through the belly button and out his upper buttock.
All you guys found was just that one weapon?
Yeah, the other ones took off running, dude.
With the bags?
Hey,
No.
Papa 180. I'm
Did they
13.
take bags?
Can I get a condition on the subject?
Quiero miar.
Subject is conscious,
Quiero
breathing.
miar.
It's going to be a lower abdomen gunshot wound.
Quiero miar. Déjame miar.
Hey, agents on scene with that gunshot wound. If you could just start applying pressure, and if you can have your iPad
Well,
with
you
you,
need this shit?
you can start patching that wound. If he's got an exit wound, just put one of those huge gauzes on the back to see if you can stop the
No la planes, güey. No la
Hey,
planes.
get your alley lights over here.
Hey,
Get your alley lights
right here, bro.
He's talking pretty calm and everything.
Somebody hold a light for me, please.
I got-
You guys take these guys down?
Yes, we could. No te muevas.
Get that shirt off. Who's got trauma shears? Give me your trauma shears.
Here's the Bible.
Está bien.
You're okay. You're okay.
8966, Papa 25.
Hey, did they take the other weapons back?
Dude, I only saw him grab that one, and I grabbed the driver. And
Where's the bags and shit? No bags?
I didn't have visual of the bag.
Agent's 19. Our comms aren't fucking working.
Tranquilo.
Okay, you're all right. You're all right.
Give me your rag. You got a rag?
That's back there, bro.
Need to get pressure on this exit wound.
Yeah, give me another rag to get pressure on the exit one. Let's go.
Full security.
Give me another rag. Keep his head up. Keep his head up. Who's got a... No, sorry, buddy. Give me another mag. Give me your fucking balaclava or some shit, bro. I need something to get pressure on his butt. He's bleeding out his butt right here.
Is there more bodies?
The bodies went south.
They went south of the river for now.
Hold security on the river. Somebody keep security on these two. Driver, that's his driver?
This driver right here. I mean.
We patted him down or what?
Yeah, I put him down.
Hey, give me somebody who's not pulling security to get pressure on his exit wound.
I got it. You got it? Yeah. You cover the front.
Where's the
The
weapon?
weapon's secured. The weapon's
Good.
secured.
Make sure you get a photo of that shit.
Yeah.
We'll get photos in a second. Make sure EMS is en route.
Yeah, EMS is in route. You're right. You're right.
Yeah, everybody just calm down a little bit. We got the scene secure. You got security. We're good.
Mm.
Okay, está bueno.
Te están ayudando con aplanándote. Nomás cálmate.
I know. He's right on your guys' ass.
I know.
Hey, you're good. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Get this cut off. Huh? Phil, you got the rest of the shears?
You got any shears? I got some here.
Rest of the bodies?
I saw them on the cross. It came out this way. Yo! Are you doing anything right now? Nah, what do you need?
Camera's rolling.
Your mind's rolling.
Páreme.
Ahorita va a llegar.
Páreme. Quiero tomear.
Last update on the subject. He's still conscious. He knows his name and everything. Just get it up.
¿Cuántas horas tiene para moverme, güey? No.
No voy a correr, no puedo, tengo la pata quebrada. Yeah, we got it. If you need to be comforted.
You don't want to. You want to keep him on that side, dude. He got a gun.
No, I'm saying like right now, like
Yeah.
in pain or whatever. If he needs to move a little bit.
Yeah.
Medical aid continued to be provided by Border Patrol agents until the arrival of EMS. The subject was then transported to the hospital for further care. U.S. Customs and Border Protection, Office of Professional Responsibility, and the Cameron County Sheriff's Office responded to the scene. The Federal Bureau of Investigation is pursuing a Title 18 U.S.C. 111 charge against the subject who had a weapon. The Cameron County Sheriff's Office is also investigating the incident. CBP's National Use of Force Review Board will review this incident at the conclusion of the investigation.